Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? It's your boy Altered Tech back again with another video, and today the holiday season is coming by. I'm getting my stuff in. We got a whole bunch of deals coming in. Now, you guys do recall I did mention we had the iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone X, and iPhone 8 on sale from Simple Mobile with open box for about $100 off. So, we had the, let me just pull this up real quick. Alright, as you guys can see, we have the iPhone 8 open box for $599, save $100, so it was $499. The 8 Plus was $299, and the 8 was about, I believe it was still about $200. It was 20% off, or 30% off, depending on what code you actually got. So if you guys did do a cashback, we got about either 22 or 11% cashback. So this was straight up a steal. Now, here's the problem. Now, I'm just going to go through the comment section. Now, in the comment section, we had a bunch of people just talking about, these are refurbs, they're used products. Now, when you hear open box, I'm thinking, the phone was opened and it was returned by the customer. So it wasn't really used. It's probably like almost brand new. But we had people talk about, we got phones with aftermarket parts. The screen, they're talking about the screen came with the aftermarket screen. You could tell because the screen protector is actually an aftermarket screen protector, something like that. Now, when I first saw this, I was hoping that this was legit. But today, everyone's talking about, it looks pretty good. This guy says, I got an iPhone 8 Gold. Looks good, but I'm pretty disappointed that the original warranty has expired. Battery's at 97%. So let's check it out. Received my iPhone 8 today. Looks flawless. Battery capacity 100%. All right, so far, things are starting to look a little bit more promising. But early on in the forums, everyone was just complaining about, you got scratches, we got all these issues and stuff. So now I actually got my iPhone 8 Plus right over here. Let me just zoom out a little bit. So in this box is the iPhone 8 Plus. Now, I didn't know the iPhone was in here. I had a couple packages, so I just opened it up, but I didn't really see what's inside. So here we go. Let me take this out. Let me try to get a little light into here. Alright, so I got the light on. So this comes in a little aftermarket box. It's not the official Apple box. It looks like a refurbished, plain old regular white box. So let's see what we got inside. Let me see if we got any codes or anything. Alright, so we got some important codes. I didn't want you guys to see this. So we got some activation information over here. Let's see what else we got. Open this up. What else we got here? So we got the iPhones inside here. I'm gonna put this down right over here. Now we have headphones. Now these headphones, let me see if you guys can see that. They look brand new to me. I don't see no airwax. I don't see we got the little dongle. Oh man, dongle life. I'm coming from the iPhone 6s, so I'm gonna have to get used to this dongle life. So it looks pretty much brand new to me. That's a plus. Looking so far it's looking pretty good. We have the charger brick still wrapped up in plastic, the official Apple charger brick. I don't know if you guys can see that. Get in focus real quick. So we got that. So I'm gonna put this over here. We got the USB to lightning cable. Looks in pretty good condition. Looks like it's brand new. Looks legit. I'm gonna put this to the side. Now, forgive me about the autofocus because I'm using the Panasonic G7, and this camera ain't the best when it comes to autofocus. So, alright, so we got, I'm not sure what this is. SIM and activation instructions in this pouch. Now, I guess they didn't put, I guess it came out of the pouch. Probably did. They must have been busy. Probably had mad orders for this. Now, here's the moment of truth. I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping it's in good condition. Okay, so, all right, let's see. You know what? Let me go get a little cloth and just wipe off all the dust particles. All right, got some light over here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so let's see the Apple logo. How's the Apple logo? We got any scratches on the Apple logo? Nah, it looks to be flawless. That's good. So I'm talking about. Let me switch to manual mode on this camera. All right, we good now? If we in focus, all right, good. So the back is good. Now let's check out let's check out the sides real quick. What do you guys think? It's pretty much just dust particles on the sides. Everything seems good. I don't see no scratches, nothing. Now, is there a screen protector on it? Yeah, there's a screen protector. Now, here's a moment of truth. Are we going to find any scratches? I hope not. Open box. Let's see what we get. All right, let me just try and pry this open. My nails. Oh, here we go. All right, guys. You guys watching this? Let's see what we got. No scratches. It's turning on. Sweet. Wait, let's see. Yo, sweet. Mint condition. Yo, this is what I'm talking about, man. The home button, I don't see no scratches on the home button. I mean, it's in perfect condition. I can't complain about this. Alright, YouTubers, so I just checked the warranty information on apple.com, and it turns out that the warranty on this expires on December 25th. That's about less than 2 weeks away. So it sounds like someone bought this phone last year for someone for Christmas or as a gift for themselves, and they actually kept it in a good case with a screen protector on it, or they just pretty much put it back inside a box and let it sit inside a warehouse, because I see pretty much 0 scratches. There's pretty much no nicks, no bumps, nothing. This phone is in pretty much mint condition. So in review, for $350 you get the iPhone 8 Plus. You get 1 month free. Simple Mobile also has this plan where it's like $20 a month with auto pay, and you get about 3 gigabytes per month, and that deal expires at the end of this month. So you're saving a ton of money with the phone and with the plan. This was a great buy. I'm pretty much relieved. I'm glad this wasn't an aftermarket device. Alright, you guys and girls, so that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. I'll do a full review on it coming up soon. So, this is Ultra Tech signing out. Leave any questions or comments below in the comment section. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace.